Today I am going to discuss about the title economics. Economics is a social science with human wants and satisfaction. The economics classified into the two categories. One microeconomics, other one macroeconomics. The father of economics, Adam Smith. The father of microeconomics, Albert Marshall. The father of macroeconomics, J.M. Keynes. The Adam Smith, the famous book Wealth of Nation, published in the year 1776. Albert Marshall, the famous book Principles of Economics, 1890. The J.M. Keynes, the famous book The General Theory of Employment, Interest and Money, published in the year 1936. Therefore, microeconomics is a individual, macroeconomics is whole. The factors of production. The four factors: land, labor, capital, and organization. Land reward for rent. Labor reward for wages. Capital rewards for interest. Organization rewards for profit. Rent theory introduced by David Ricardo, the classical economist. The origin of the nature, the economic rent theory introduced in the year 1870. The rent theory has emphasized that rent is a reward for the services of land which is a fixed in the supply. Therefore, according to the modern theory of rent, the rent of the factors from point out the any industry, the difference between actual earnings and transfer earnings equal to transfer earnings refers to the amount of money. The second one, labor reward for wages. The wage theory introduced by John Davidson, the British economy, published in the year 1890. The wage are determined by the relative and bargaining of power of worker, the trade union of employees. The famous book of Thought Capital. The Thought Capital introduced by Karl Marx. Therefore, next, capital a reward for interest. The interest theory introduced by Adam Smith and Frederick and 19th century in 1898. According to the classical theory, the rate of interest is determined by supply of savings and demand for interest. The higher rate of interest, the higher rate of savings by the household. Therefore, a simple saving equation is below S equal to F in R. S refers to savings, R refers to interest, F refers to functional relationship. Therefore, next, organization reward for profit. The profit theory introduced by J. Jupiter, 19th century. The profit is a difference between a price and the cost of production of the commodity. The main reason of inequality in profit lies in the difference the ability of entrepreneur. The entrepreneur is a main motive new knowledge, new thinking, new development day by day changes. Therefore, ability is a mainly God for a gift. It is a reason which mainly causes of difference in a profit. All the entrepreneur, the motivation theory introduced by profit. I really appreciate and the various sector, the production cost and opportunity cost and marginal cost, total cost, anything the used by the entrepreneur.